So today is our goal to coat the roof of this house and 2 more in the same park. And that's what we're going to do with what we have here, which is 2 buckets per house of the elastomeric Advantage elastomeric white roof coating. So that is going to be probably be a little less than 2 buckets, but we also have like an 8-inch brush. It's about $12. Key thing to save money. This is at Dollar Tree for like $1.50. I can use this to spread the tar on the edges. And this is just a junky brush that I'm going to use to paint the outside edges with and not have to use that big old brush and slop it off on the side. I can be careful with it. And the handles, I haven't put them on the brushes because I'm going to use the handles to clear out the gutter. I'm going to push it through. And then we have this 2x4 under whatever, a piece of plywood or a 2x12 in this case, so that we can put the bucket on it and not be sloping. Feels like it's going to fall over. All right, we'll see you later.